Hi students, third chapter synthetic fibers and plastics, 8th class, synthetic fibers and plastics. Okay students, so separately why we are discussing synthetic fibers, what is the meaning of why synthetic natural fibers are also there. Here two types of fibers. Okay, first of all, what is the meaning of fiber? The meaning of fiber is thread. The meaning of fiber is thread. Here threads are two types of threads are there. Okay, one is synthetic threads, natural threads and synthetic threads. Okay, synthetic threads means artificial threads. Natural threads, natural fibers means naturally those are available and we get naturally from plants, from animals, like that. Artificial fibers means fibers which we get from by mixing chemicals. Okay students, here two types of fibers are there: natural fibers, artificial fibers. Okay, natural fibers we get from plants, animals. Artificial fibers which are obtained from by mixing chemicals. Okay students, okay, you see here synthetic. What is the meaning of synthetic? Synthetic means synthetic means artificial or made by mixing chemicals. Okay, so here you have to understand one thing: synthesis means mixing. Synthesis means mixing or combining. Synthesis means combining or mixing. Okay, synthetic fibers. Synthetic means by mixing chemicals or by adding chemicals, fibers are obtained. Okay, so that's why these are called as synthetic fibers. Natural fibers means fibers obtained from plants or animals. Plastic. What is the meaning of plastic? You see students, plastic nothing but a material made by mixing chemicals. Plastic is a material. How that material is obtained? That plastic material is obtained by mixing chemicals. By mixing chemicals, plastic is obtained. Okay students, so here plastic, a material made by mixing chemicals. Okay, so here synthetic means by mixing chemicals, fibers are obtained, so that's why it is called as synthetic fibers. Plastic means a material made by mixing chemicals. Okay, just now only I said here two types of fibers are there: natural fibers and artificial fibers. What are natural fibers? Cotton fibers we obtain from cotton plant. Jute fiber we obtain from jute plant. Silk fibers we obtain from silkworm. And woolen fibers, wool is obtained from the sheep. Okay, hair of the sheep. So next, artificial fibers. Artificial means synthetic. Artificial fibers means man-made fibers. Artificial means man-made, nothing but by mixing chemicals, fibers are made, fibers are produced. Okay, for example, rayon is a synthetic fiber which is obtained by mixing chemicals. Polyester also, it is obtained by mixing chemicals only. Nylon fiber which is obtained by mixing chemicals. Acrylic also, it is a man-made fiber, artificial fiber. It is obtained by mixing chemicals. Okay students, so here two types of fibers are there: natural fibers and artificial fibers. Natural fibers are obtained naturally, nothing but they are obtained from plants or animals. For example, cotton, jute, silk, wool. And artificial fibers, nothing but man-made fibers. These are only called as synthetic fibers. Synthetic. Actually, why we are using this synthetic? Synthetic means the meaning of synthesis. What is the meaning of synthesis? Synthesis means mixing or combining. What are mixing here? Chemicals are mixing. Chemicals are mixed. Whenever chemicals are mixed, these fibers are made. Whenever chemicals are mixed, whenever chemicals are synthesized, then only the synthesis of from the mixing. Synthesis means mixing. From the synthesis of chemicals, fibers are made, fibers are produced. So that's why these are called as synthesized synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers. Here synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers. What are the synthetic fibers? Rayon, polyester, nylon, acrylic. These are synthetic fibers. Okay students, already we discussed that. What is the meaning of fiber? Fiber means thread. Okay. Next, plastic. Just now only we discussed. What is the meaning of plastic? Plastic nothing but it is a material. What is the meaning of iron? Iron nothing but it is a material. What is copper? Copper is a material. Iron is a material, copper is a material, aluminium is a material, wood is a material. So like that, plastic is a material. How we get that plastic? We can't get plastic from the plants and from the animals. Plastic is a material which is obtained by mixing chemicals. Okay students, so here a material made by mixing chemicals. Okay students, so like this, synthetic fibers and plastics. Okay, synthetic fibers, you see, rayon, polyester, nylon, acrylic, these are called as synthetic fibers. What are natural fibers? Natural fibers, cotton, jute, silk, wool. Okay, plastic, just now only we discussed what is the meaning of plastic.